want to make a quick video because I just dropped a video on changing the R22 to 410A and doing the same thing today. And basically, I'm gonna show you guys how to use this Turbo Kleen. Best product I like to use for flushing out the system, especially if that old Freon. You take off your Schrader valves, both sides, low side and the liquid side. We've already done that. And then you connect your nitrogen directly to your Turbo Kleen or your flush kit. Then you move over. I guess that'll do right there. Just don't want anything leaking out. Grab a random 410A hose, refrigerant hose, and put that guy on the liquid side. You want to push everything out from the liquid side to the low side. Same with just like any installation, you want to open up that valve first, the liquid side, before the low side. And that's it. Go ahead and turn on your nitrogen. I'll leave it on for like 5 seconds. Stand this guy up real quick. Have it standing up. Go ahead and hold that. Turn on the nitrogen, just let it go. And you'll just hear everything coming out the hot side. Obviously, you want to do a nitrogen leak check first before putting your flush kit. You don't want to waste any of this. This is pretty expensive, about 150, 200 for a whole flush kit included. So I'll let the nitrogen run for a little while, for like 10 seconds, 10, 15 seconds. I'll go ahead and start closing it up. And that's it. You hear the pressure coming out the hot side, and that's it. Just wait for all of it to exit out. Then you run a deep vacuum, and then you open up your valves, and that's it. The handyman out.